Folks, dense fog advisory in effect for the coastal counties right now, just the areas right along the coast. It's in effect until 9 a.m. Again, it's a dense fog advisory for areas that are right along the coast tonight. Visibility, as you can see, down to a quarter of a mile or so. Port Isabel, South Padre Island, about a mile in Brownsville. Better visibility Upper Valley, but even you get farther to the west, it drops off again. But certainly, if you're near the coast, you've got a fog problem tonight, and it may be with you much of the night and into early tomorrow. So use some extra caution as you move out and about the valley. These are your current temperatures. Everybody in the 60s right now, including McAllen at 68 degrees. But overnight, this is 8 o'clock in the morning, temperatures just don't move. We may have already bottomed out. We're still forecasting mid-60s, but we may not even get that cool. And then tomorrow afternoon, back in the 80s across much of the region. Cooler at the beach, 73, 79 in Brownsville. Then Saturday morning, we start the day in the low to mid-70s in most areas. And by afternoon, we're back in the 80s again. And then Christmas morning, a very warm and balmy start to your Christmas day, 70 degrees, and by afternoon, you're right back in the 80s again. So we're going to stay above average, not just the next 3 days, but probably the next 7. Maybe not record setting. The records are 88, 90, and 89, but at least we're going to be well above normal. Cloud cover was thick for a while today, thinned out. Now it's thickening up again, especially right along the coast. The low clouds and fog kind of hanging in there today. The old front down to the south, but it will turn around and move back to the north as a warm front tomorrow, bringing those temperatures back up into the 80s, and then we'll stay there. We just stay warm and mostly cloudy at night, partly sunny during the day. Kind of a mix of clouds and sun each day. I think you'll see plenty of cloud cover, but they'll break from time to time. Sun will come out, temperatures will warm up. That goes for Saturday and Sunday as well. Rainfall-wise, we're about done, I think, for a while. There wasn't much today. I don't think there'll be much of any tomorrow, Saturday, or Sunday. It looks like a dry holiday weekend. Bigger picture shows that front. There it goes to the north, and as it moves out, no real big weather features headed our way for a while. Next front stays in North Texas. The next one, and boy, the north end of this one's the active one. Sunday, Christmas Day, is going to be a nasty day across the middle part of the country, but down here, we're just warm. This front will stall before it gets here. Maybe close enough to trigger a few showers Monday into Tuesday, but for the most part, it looks like we'll miss out on all the cooling from that. A little cooler in North Texas, 40 right now in Abilene. You get into the central part of the state, 60 the latest reading out of Austin. Here's what's going on at the coast. If you're headed to the beach, get your Christmas weekend started off early. Temperatures in the morning in the mid-70s. You can see southerly winds at 15 to 20 miles an hour. Wind stays south to southeast all day long. Temperatures stay relatively mild. The UV index is moderate. Rip current risk is low. Here are the tides. There are 3, seas 2 to 3 feet with a moderate chop on the bay. So tonight, 65. Mainly cloudy with patchy fog, especially near the coast. Again, a dense fog advisory in effect for the coast. That is until 9 a.m. Then tomorrow, some clouds early, but then some afternoon sunshine, a high of around 83. 83, 82, 84 for Christmas Day. An isolated shower or thunderstorm on Monday, then we're mainly dry into the middle part of next week. Another front at the end of the week should bring us down closer to normal once again. That is your updated First Warn 5 forecast. Joel.